The owner of this 2006 Hyundai Elantra has noticed a low groaning sound coming from one of the front wheels while driving on the highway. That sound is a sign that a hub bearing is failing and needs to be replaced. Over the average course of vehicle ownership, you should only be making a hub bearing replacement once. But if you simply buy the cheapest parts, you may end up with bearings that are smaller than OEM or parts made from lower quality steel. These can lead to early part failure. Don't cut corners by trying to reuse your existing axle nut. This could result in the nut loosening during vehicle operation. Protect your investment by getting all the components you need to do this replacement properly. A smart way to make this repair is with a hub bearing kit from SKF. This is a complete solution with everything you need in the box to do the job right the first time. Plus, this kit is engineered and tested to meet OE specs for proper fit and function. With premium quality parts like these, you won't have to worry about premature wear landing you back in the garage for a repeat repair. This tech tip is brought to you by SKF.